that's awesome.
Hi, and welcome to LJ's Toy Reviews. This week we're going to review one of LJ's favorite toys, the electric train set for kids. This train set includes 549 plus centimeters of track. It includes tunnels, cars, railroad switches, and so much more. This train set is made of an eco-friendly material which is non-toxic, odorless, and child-safe. Switch your speed between fast and slow as the train car moves along the track. Accessories include street lights, road signs, trees, and so much more. This train set features multiple train cars including the engine. Make your train as short or as long as you want. This train set comes with an easy to carry box. It's easy to set up, easy to tear down, and easy to take with you. Watch as your kids have hours of fun playing with this electric train set from Amazon. If you're interested in purchasing this train, please click the link in the description below.